Hi everybody, welcome back to Future Travel Life, and today we are boarding the Odyssey of the Seas. First time on a Quantum class ship, actually Quantum Ultra class. So let's head over to the port, get on board Odyssey of the Seas, and have an amazing trip and start our boarding day on Odyssey of the Seas. Everybody, we have checked in, gotten through security, all that, gotten to the port. Now we either have to wait a couple minutes to board, or they might be boarding right now. I think they are actually, so let's head on board Odyssey of the Seas. All right, everybody, we have checked in, waited on the gangway, on the way up to the ship. We're actually like almost there. We just have one more thing to go. This is a windy one, different than Miami. Miami was flat, and it was just like one back and forth. We are boarding Odyssey of the Seas. It's a long day, but let's step on board, go to muster, eat, and check out the ship. I'm gonna get lost so many times this week because I've never been on this class and I haven't done as much research as I should have. So, yeah. Oh yeah, I made it on board. Let's go to muster station. Alright everybody, we just got some lunch at Cafe 270. They had prepared salads. I think they had a salad bar. They had wraps. One of them was like a tuna salad wrap and a chicken teriyaki wrap, which is what I had. I think they had the Commonwealth sandwich, which is the classic roast beef sandwich. Also picked up our drink cups with our drink package. And we gotta eat this and then explore a little more and get muster done. We didn't see the people to do muster, so we'll do that after we eat. Alright everybody, hanging out in the SeaPlex just for a minute, just exploring. But look, you can see, let me flip this around. You can see Celebrity Beyond out there. Hi Captain Kate. You see Captain Kate out there. They leave like an hour and a half before, so we won't be like horn wars or anything with Captain Kate. But gonna explore a little more, gonna grab some more food at El Loco Fresh because the chicken teriyaki wrap was actually cold. I was expecting it to be like a warm wrap. No, it was cold. So probably grab some more food at Loco Fresh or Windjammer. I'm sure Windjammer is absolutely slammed though. So we'll see what happens. And room should be ready in about an hour and 10 minutes. It's 12:05. App says rooms are ready at 1:15. So let's get a drink. I haven't gotten a drink yet. And check out the rest of the ship. Alright everybody, we are in our room. We have a balcony cabin. I think it's 6676. There's a bunch of people walking through the hall and there's stuff in the hall. So I'm just starting inside, starting with the door. Your muster station, or our muster station, is D5. You have your out-catching thorough, do not disturb. This is a connecting stateroom with the one next door. I was opening the door like, what is it? You have a full-length mirror there. You do need this key in our stateroom. Guy gave us this. I don't know if it's gonna stay, but we'll use that. Actually have a thermostat, which is nice. I think this is the master. Yep. Take that out. You can turn it on. I don't know how this works. Turn the lights back on. Your bathroom light. Toilet. 2 cups. Actually, some nice storage in here. Sink. Your extra stuff down there. Nice mirror. Oh gosh. Shower door that swings out, and your shower pod, decent size, but the door concept seems a little interesting. 2 beds, and one thing I love about the newer ships is there isn't a closet here. Feels more open. You have these big hangy things with small hangy things. On this side of the bed, you do have an outlet. Where am I pointing? I can't see. You do have an outlet. Your light that was on for the main lights as well. king that can be split into 2 twins. If I get to this side, sorry, there's suitcases in the way, we found them in the hall. This side of the bed has a USB port in the phone, more lighting. Oh, I see the button right there for that. Closet. Sorry, there's bags in the way. Drawers. Don't know if we had those on this side. We did not. So you have drawers over here. Your bed. This is a sofa bed. So it should come out in here. Ample storage, sorry, for my backpack. You got your papers on the thing. Seat with 2 outlets, 2 USBs, and a 220. And that's for the ring light. Hi again. And that is for the light over there. So yeah, we do have a splitter thing, outlet, non-surge protecting, or with no surge protector, but don't need to use that. Well, we probably will still, but you have your hair dryer in the drawer, your cooler, not a refrigerator. It actually feels decently refrigerated. 4 drawers with your room service menu. I actually didn't see breakfast hangers. I don't know if you have to call now. Plenty of storage. And then we have our obstructed balcony, which we had a balcony guarantee. Oh no, I just locked. Oh no, it's different. It's the opposite. Next to the balcony guarantee, this is better than anything. Nice view. Your 2 chairs with ottomans. So yeah, not a bad view. You can see the ocean there, but we do have a lifeboat here. So yeah, I'm gonna settle in probably when my suitcase gets here. My suitcase isn't one of the ones that's here. I'm gonna probably unpack. And I think we've pretty much seen all the ship. Now we don't have to lug my backpack around. Explore a little more. And yeah, so rooms are ready. It's 1:15. They said 1:30 on the door. The app said 1:15. So they're ready, I guess you could say on time or early. But yeah, let's keep doing stuff around the ship, and I'll see you guys with whatever we do next. Alright everyone, I was at Loco Fresh. Actually, I ate a Loco Fresh nachos as a snack, like an afternoon snack, and then I went in Windjammer because I wanted some dessert, and I found they had a stir-fry station. Am I hungry? No. Am I gonna eat this? Yes. So it's 2 o'clock, probably 2:15 by this point, so Celebrity Beyonce is waiting about 1 hour and 15 minutes. So we'll have to see what is, you can see the steam coming off the noodles because they like made it fresh. We'll have to see what we get up to between now and then. Dinner, on the cards say 5:30, but on the app and at the dining room, I think it said the dining room 5:15. So we'll see. I'll probably do 5:30 today so we can watch Sailaway, but if we're hungry earlier, we can go 5:15. So yeah, see what we get into. Everybody sitting out on our balcony after dinner. Dinner was really fast. It was like 50 minutes, I think. Our waiters also only had like 3 people seated in our section tonight. But appetizer was the crab cake, which was really good. Love that appetizer. Definitely would get that again. Well, this is the last cruise. I forgot to mention this. Last cruise of the old Royal Caribbean MDR menus. So new menu coming out, but pretty confident that's on it. Entree was the prime rib, also really good. Love the sauce that's in. Keep the sauce, give it to me with every single dish. Amazing. Dessert 1 was the warm hazelnut chocolate cake. Good as usual. Definitely would get the prime rib again. And second dessert was key lime pie. would get all of those again. All of them, 10 out of 10 would get them again. It's about 7 o'clock now. We have a show at 8, comedy, up in the theater. And then, I don't know what we have to do, but tomorrow's a C day. So we don't really have to go to bed early. Okay, I'm using my phone as a light, so I have to cut my light real quick. If you look, that is a Virgin ship. I don't know which one it's leaving Miami, so it's, well, obviously it's either the Scarlet Lady or a Valiant Lady. I don't know which one was in Miami today, but I'll put it in the subtitles if I can find it out. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do, but comedy is at 8 o'clock. That was Valiant Lady, by the way. So yeah, see what we get into. Alright everybody, it is the end of the night. I probably need to go back to the whole day. We got on the ship, had lunch at Cafe 270 and a Loco Fresh. A Loco Fresh was more of like an afternoon snack, so it was like 2 o'clock. Got in the room, explored the whole ship, pretty much seen all of it, I think. Watched all the other ships sail away, Celebrity Beyond, New Amsterdam, Celebrity Reflection, and Enchanted Princess. We had dinner. I already did dinner. I don't remember that, but I did dinner. And then we watched Paul Ogata at the Royal Theatre comedy. It was good, pretty good. Yeah, it was good. Tomorrow we are at sea. Oh, me and pizza, hit some ducks. Tomorrow we're at sea, on our way to Grand Cayman. So Showgirl is tomorrow night, I know that. We have North Star Extended Experience tomorrow, so we get to go over the side of the ship on North Star tomorrow at noon. Belly Flops tomorrow. Yeah, I think that's all we have like set in stone is North Star. So thank you guys so much for watching this Cruise Travel Live video. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever we upload a brand new video. I can't do the finger pointing because I'm holding my phone with it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.